Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye makeup look. It is smoky deep pink cut crease eye makeup tutorial. I have highlighted crease line using liquid eyeshadow from Color Gel. This is a difficult step. If you are beginner and if you want to know how to get it done easily, then please continue watching. I would be sharing with you hack to get it done easily. Now let's get started with the tutorial. I'm using this palette. It is combo of 3. I'm picking this eyeshadow from one palette. It is combo of 3 palettes from SFR color. I'm covering my outer V using this pink eyeshadow. Sharpen your outer V edge. For smokiness, I would be picking this peach eyeshadow. This is very soft peach. Begin applying on your crease. Mix it with the outer V eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Do this for a considerable amount of time. Blending it with the pink eyeshadow does take time. Covering your crease, move it here. Next, I'm picking this deep pink shimmery eyeshadow. Very beautiful pigmented deep pink eyeshadow. I would be applying this on my half eye. Do not cross your crease line, keep it within the crease. I'm using a small flat brush from PAC. It is 383. To intensify my outer V, I'm packing black eyeshadow. I'm not happy with the outer V intensity. Hence, I'm applying black here. Begin blending it with the outer V eyeshadow. Move the brush in circular motion. Take it towards the crease. The intensity should be greater on outer V. When you're moving it on crease, don't have anything in the brush. Move empty brush just to intensify it a little. Pull the pink eyeshadow towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. Next, I'm highlighting my crease line using liquid eyeshadow. I'm using liquid eyeliner wand. To get it done easily, the hack here is to place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand. Just here, exactly here. You'll have to place it and begin highlighting your crease line. Remove the excess in the wand and place liquid eyeshadow just on the tip of the wand and begin applying on your crease line to highlight your crease line. If you do so, you'll be able to do it easily. Crease line highlight is easier this way. Remove the excess, place little on the tip of the wand and begin applying on your crease line and you'll achieve it. Next, I'm creating winged eyeliner. After this, I'm creating pointed inner corner. Next, I'm coating kajal on my waterline. I'm using Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. Smudge your kajal on your lower lash line. Use pink eyeshadow when you're smudging. Intensify your eyelashes using mascara. Coat your eyelashes using mascara well. Intensify your eyelashes well, coating mascara. Lastly, I would be using this eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone. Black eyeshadow that I used for my outer V was from this palette. It is from Wet n Wild. And this is the final look. If you like this eye makeup, then please consider subscribing my channel. If you have any doubt, please write in comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.